Okay, today we'll be talking about understanding land documents, land classification. Land can be classified as either free or acquired. Okay, a parcel of land is considered free if government has not indicated any interest whatsoever in that land. Yes, it's either freehold or thereabout. Such land is safe to buy because the title on the land can be perfected without issues. Okay, in most cases, such lands will either have gazette, CFO, or governor's consent. Now that you understand what it means for land to be free, isn't it? Okay, let's go. You should also know that all lands that fall within areas that are urban areas are under government acquisition until it is considered committed or free. There are two types of acquisition by government when it comes to land. One, committed acquisition. What did I say? Committed acquisition. Two, global or general acquisition. Committed acquisition, a parcel of land is said to be when the government has indicated an interest to use that land for a specific purpose, such as provisional or enmities. Such lands belongs to government and can never be available for use by individuals. I hope you are getting it. So, to purchase land that is under committed accusation, it will be impossible for you to perfect your land title, and you will only be occupying the land until government comes to kick you out. Am I making sense? I hope you are learning from this. I had to take my time to make sure I educate you on this. Accusation land that are under general accusation or global accusation can later be confirmed free or committed, as the case may be. A land under general accusation can become free by a process or excision. What is excision? Excision is a process whereby the government releases a portion of an expanse of land that is not committed. Then considered free or becomes gazette. The gazette then becomes the title of the land, and such land is safe to buy because a proper title can be processed on the land. Okay. A second case where lands are under general acquisition can be released if an individual purchased a land that was under acquisition without going through an excision process. Such land can go through either process called rectification or regularization, in which the landowner pays for the land to be rectified or regularized. Am I making sense? Okay. The only condition in this case that the land in question must not fall within a committed area, and that the purpose for which the land was bought. Let's gladly go for the meaning of each land document that we have. So stay tuned. Firstly, deed of assignment. A deed of assignment is one of the transferable documents drawn up by a real estate between the current title holder for a particular property and the new buyer. So now you understand why deed of assignment is very important, right? Okay. In real estate property transaction, a deed of assignment is a legal document that when ownership is transferred, the deed of assignment shows the new legal owner of the property. Okay? So, information for real estate transaction, it spells out the date when the ownership of the property transfers from one to another owner, right? So, the deed also gives a specific description of a property that included the transfer of ownership. It is very compulsory and mandatory for a deed of assignment document to be recorded at the appropriate land registry to show legal evidence as it is exchange of ownership in any land or landed property transaction in order to make the general public and government aware of such exchange or transaction. So you see why deed of assignment is very important when you are buying land. Because if you buy land, you don't have deed of assignment, registers of a copy. You never buy land. Oh. So always ask questions when you are buying a land. What are the what? What? Documents that you will have. It is also important to note that the deed of assignment document is not only the document indicating transfer of ownership. The following documents are usually involved when you purchase a land. One, when you purchase a land, you receive the purchase receipt. It's very important. Now, that will be the number one. Number two, the contract of sale and the deed of assignment. And also, number four, the survey plan, the building plan for housing investment. Number six, any other title document that may apply. Each of these documents can come at separate times in the transaction process. The seller signs all documents when the transaction is completed. And now that you understand, we'll go for survey plan in our other class. So I hope you gain something today.